This metaverse experience has enriched my MBA path since we are ready for the present technologies and ready for the future technologies. This Metaverse Lab is useful to develop our skills with technologies and innovation. Innovation is essential and also timing it is. So we are going to be ready for our next workplace.
The skills developed through digitalization in the Metaverse Lab are going to be directly applicable in a real-world business scenario for a number of different ways. First of all, as the trend in the past 30 years and perhaps even longer than that has been closer to the direction of linear digitalization, the Metaverse is really taking things to another level entirely that's going to have real-world benefits to a variety of different industries. So regardless of where I take my career after the MBA, this experience being hands-on kinetic with the metaverse is going to be directly applicable to my learning and development within that capacity. This experience with the metaverse enriched my MBA course in a variety of ways. First of all, as anyone in business knows, a lot of the talk has been about transitioning into something of a metaverse. However, there was never really a tangible business case that I had previously encountered where the metaverse could be applicable. Until today. Today, we learned of an applicable business case and have been demonstrating it in the metaverse where it could yield real-time results in a real-life business capacity.